Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to delete emails on Gmail all at once. So first, you just have to go to your email address. And as you can see here, I have all my email in my inbox. Now, what you're going to do here to delete all your emails is to simply scroll down or go to more till you see this all mail right here. So once you go to all mail, all the email address and inbox, stars, news, sent, draft, important chats, and so on are all here. In order to delete all of this, all you have to do is to click this arrow facing down and tap all. Next, you're going to look for the delete icon or the trash bin. Tap this one, and then you will see that your mails are all deleted. So you don't have any mail here. Don't worry, you can undo it anytime. Now, again, if you want to delete all of this, you just have to click delete. And don't worry because all messages can be retrieved once you go to trash. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is. Now, if you want to simply just delete your all emails and inbox, you can do the same thing. You just have to click this box right here, all the emails in sent, all the emails in draft. Just tap this box right here, important, and so on. So all you have to do is to click this box right here and then tap delete icon. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.